Hello everyone. We'll be looking on methane. Okay, so that's how we visualize methane. So we'll get identity, which is an obvious operation. So our first step is, once we have this, using Vesper theory, get the structure. Once you have gotten the structure, identify the principal axis. So those are the three principal axes we have. So we have one. Okay, let me see. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. We have 4 principal axes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can visualize all of them. So it means if we stand from here, we can rotate the other 3. Okay, so let's rotate. If we stand from this side, let's stand from here. So it means we are rotating this other side. So we can visualize that as, you see. So it means we have stood from this point. If you had stood from this point, taking this as your referral point, it means if you perform the C3, you're rotating the other these other three. Okay, so to this case, it means you have taken these as your referral point, so you'll be rotating these other 3. Then also to these, you have taken these as your referral point, so you are rotating these, and so much more. Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, so those are that's C3. So if you continue, we are saying it has a C2. Okay, let's visualize the C2s. Those are the C2s we have. Okay, so that's the total C2s we have. We can see it has 3 C2s. So the first C2 is, you're rotating that. Okay, so that's how the C2 behaves. So if you stood, that's how the C2 is. Okay, the other C2 is that. The last C2 is that. Okay, so it has an S4. So we can visualize the S4 there. So that's the S4. As you can see, those are the total S4s. Let's indicate them. We have 6 F4s. S4s, sorry, not S4. Okay, so let's visualize them one by one. So the first S is that. So S is just an improper rotation. We defined that. The second one is that. As you can see, this is the second one. The third one, the fourth one, fifth, and the sixth. The way it is. Okay, so that's how we visualize all of them. It has an S4 inverse. Okay, it has the S4 and also the S4 inverse. We have a reflection, the dihedral planes. We have 6 of them, so we have 6 dihedral planes. We can visualize those. So that's how we visualize the dihedral planes. So that's the first dihedral plane, the second one, the third one. Keep in mind, what's a dihedral plane? A dihedral plane is a plane that cuts the angle between 2 subsidiary axes. So that's how we see it. Okay, don't worry about the point group. Also, it's a TD tetrahedral point group, but we'll see more later in the videos. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.